Then what are the principles of data integrity? Here there is principles, that is ALCOA+. Here A stands for attributable, L stands for legible, C stands for contemporaneous, then O stands for original, A for accurate, then plus means complete, consistent, enduring, available. There are 4 pillars of GLP. First one is management. It provides strong leadership. Second, quality assurance. Independently check the lab's work, whether lab is following the GLP standards or not. Then study director holds full responsibility, both scientific as well as legal. Then regulatory authorities monitor and control whether the labs are following the international GLP guidelines or not. What happens if GLP rules are not followed? Delay in getting drug approvals. Then unsafe products may reach the patient. Then legal trouble to the company, it may damage the reputation also. Then totally waste of time and money. Then let us understand the concept with a simple example. Let us assume that the lab is testing purity of the drug. After conducting the test, the purity obtained is 89%, but the required liability is 95%. If someone try to change the data to 95% just to pass the test, so that leads to data integrity violation. So this false data could result in unsafe medicine reaching to the market, which may cause risk to the patient life.